Oh, go on, people. You don't know the Yaadman Sports in a minute now, but they're out here again with a thing called Baddis in Paris. And yes, as I said yesterday, even though we are still the Baddis, you know, boy, still a soccer sad people. But we're there with the recap at day 10, and I write us at the day where the Olympics end. But unlike in our previous Olympics, when the Olympics done, and we sad, me sure half of Jamaica right now very glad so the Olympics done. You man, we glad bad. Glad bad. We glad so the misery and heartache and frustration it gone. But before I give me a little closing remarks, I can recap it here, no? So we start out the last thing of the high jump with Beckford. The brother with there dance all over TikTok. I mean, I wish him could have jumped as much as him could have danced. Cause him come what 10th at a second to last. But big up yourself, brother. It's not a shame. You make it to the final, you make history for Jamaica, and you switch up the game. Now to the 100-meter hurdles final with Akira Nugent. Paid in every language, straight in my heart. So when I see Akira walk out, I say we must can get a medal. But when I see Akira knock the first hurdle, and then she knock the third, and then she run off her track, I say, Lord have mercy. The Olympics, yeah, enough for Jamaica. None at all. Now for the 4x400 relay for the woman them. I mean, I know why we have so much high hopes with all we are going to Jamaica, the Olympics, you know. But just see that hope, say, boy, that team can pull through and we end the competition right. And all of us can just have a nice little night with probably like a silver or a bronze medal. Some piece of metal. But people, it was not to be, yeah, man. Because the girl run and lick out the baton out of night hand. Jamaica did not finish in the 4x4 relay for the woman them. I nah lie. I feel a way people. Especially when I see Stephanie and McPherson a ball. The Olympics, yeah, rough pan Jamaica star. But hear me now? Finally, we get put out of all our misery. The Olympics done. Jamaica never really get to have the type of fun what they want. But still, we finished the Olympics with 6 pieces of metal, 2 bronze, 3 silver, and a gold medal. And you see for that, we have to be grateful. Because people, we kind of broke bad. And every single time, we're going to have a plate full. But anyway, they all leave them go there, and them do them best. We don't want to come back a yard, I hold on the head. We want to hold them high, and straight up on the chest. Jamaica are still the baddest. But just have a few things to correct. We can't wait for World Championship next year because Jamaica are come with a chip and we back. Every single thing we lose, we are come to collect them back. You hear me now? The whole of other country better watch out and beware because it's 2025, that's going to be Jamaica year. Hey man people, you don't know say that you know. Yaadman Sports in a minute bringing a thing called Baddis in a dirty Paris. It was a pleasure being here. But hear me now, join me in the next couple of months or next year. Maybe them time there, we can probably get a sponsor or two. But whatever go on, I don't know say Yaadman Sports still I got to do. Big up on yourself people. I'm out.